Welcome to our tutorial on how to connect your Instagram account to other social media platforms. Hello everyone, I'm Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Now without any further ado, let's jump straight into the process. Open your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your Instagram account. You will land to the home page. At the bottom, you're gonna find different icons. Head towards this profile icon given at the bottom right corner. After you land to your profile, at the top right corner, you can find three bars. Tap on it. From here, select the option of settings, open it. Over here, you're gonna find different options. Head towards this option of account, open it. Now here you will find the option of sharing to other apps, open it. And here you will see this option of Facebook and WhatsApp. From here, you can easily connect to your Facebook account or your WhatsApp account. All you have to do is tap on it. And now it has been automatically connected as you are logged into your Facebook account. Now you can go back. And here you can see that I just connected to Facebook. Likewise, you can do the same for WhatsApp as well. All you have to do is tap on this option of WhatsApp. Now you can type in your WhatsApp number over here and then you can tap on the option of send code and continue with the process to connect your WhatsApp to Instagram. So this is how you can connect your Instagram account to other social media platforms. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.